If you've ever tried making zucchini noodles, also known as zoodles, only to end up with a watery, mushy mess, I feel your pain. But don't worry, because today I'm going to show you the absolute best way to cook zucchini noodles for the perfect texture without making them soggy. The secret? Gentle steaming. Trust me, this technique is a game changer. I'll walk you through how to do it step by step. Find the exact ingredient quantities and directions for my zucchini noodle recipe in the description below. Alright, let's start with the zucchini. You'll want to use firm, fresh zucchini for the best results. I'm using a squash called tromboncino rapicante that I grew in my own garden. It has a firm and buttery texture that is perfect for making noodles. If you want to learn how to grow tromboncino rapicante, I have a grow guide over on my gardening channel called Jera's Garden. I'll link it below in the description. Since my squash is very long, I cut it into smaller pieces that are easier to work with. I don't peel it either since the skin is so thin, but you can if you prefer. I'm using a simple spiralizer with a thick or wide noodle blade to create these beautiful noodles. But you can also use a julienne peeler if you don't have one of these gadgets. In just a few minutes, all of the zucchini has been spiralized into noodles. Now it's time to gently cook the noodles. I use a multi-tiered steamer to gently cook the noodles without submerging them into water, which makes them soggy. I steam the noodles for 5 minutes. They cook very fast. As soon as the noodles are done steaming, dump the noodles out onto a large flat baking sheet so extra water can steam out or be released. The remaining noodles should be pretty dry. I like to make a big batch and freeze some of them for future use. Now comes the fun part, serving them up. You can toss these zoodles with your favorite pasta sauce, top them with grilled chicken or shrimp, or even just drizzle with olive oil, garlic, and parmesan for a simple dish. One final tip, if you're adding a sauce, combine the zoodles and sauce just before serving. The longer they sit in a hot sauce, the softer they'll get, so mix them in at the last minute for the best texture. Steaming the noodles and evaporating off the extra water content helps these zoodles have a crisp texture that is more similar to pasta. I don't even miss the carbs. If you give this method a try, let me know how it turns out in the comments. And if you found this tip helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more easy kitchen hacks and recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.